Last time we talked about the different types of data sets. We talk about so what we have initially is the raw data. So the raw data may contain the columns of variables with missing values. So from them, we will select those qualified data. So it can be like there is no missing values. It can also be that within a time period. So we're going to select the study data. And from the study data, we are going to select those distinct patients and form the study cohort. So basically, these are the contents that we're going to cover in this section 2 of the tutorial. So again, we're going to define the study data. We're going to build a study cohort. And then if we have time, we're going to prepare the hospitalization records, apply some conditions, like we're going to clean the overlap. So maybe this part is going to talk in the next tutorial. But we are going to apply this criteria to exclude hospitalizations if the patient is below 18 years old on admission. To start, first we're going to launch the VirtualBox. We're going to double click that, and it is going to bring us to this window, and we're going to select the SAS University Edition and click this button. So then the VirtualBox will open. It will run for a while until we see this local host address, and then we can put that into a browser with this address, localhost 10080, and then it's gonna show this welcome page, and we're gonna click this start SAS Studio, and we'll be led to this. So in this file, we will see that under the projects and project 1 in SAS code, this is the file we have created last time. So I'm going to double click to open it. So in that file, we already have the settings section. We also have the checking data section. As I said last time, it's a good idea to save a different copy every time you open a file. So I'm gonna save it in the same folder under the source code, and I'm gonna rename it as this. This is basically a date stamp to indicate that this is a new version. I'm going to save it. Next, remember that last time we had this setting program, and basically it is to set up the library for those source data. So before running, sorry, we're going to close this one. So before running this code, if you go to the library, you will see that apart from the temporary work directory, so there is no permanent folders or libraries that is set by ourselves. So what we're going to do is we're going to select these two and right click to run the select. So the SAS program is going to run the settings and also the check data. And after that, we will see that because in the settings we've instructed to set a library called S, referring to those input data sets. So we can see this the S library here. Okay, so basically we have prepared, we have loaded all the settings, and also we've run the first step of the program.